Hello, in this tutorial I will show you a new feature in Place Fasteners application for storing custom content center files inside the local folder. So let's see. Normally, when we add the fasteners, they are saved inside the library. Let's see the file location. Now they are saved inside content center library path. Let's say we want to save these fasteners as custom somewhere in our local folder. The same as actually we have when adding the with native tool as custom. We open Place Fasteners app, go to settings, and check the box save content center items as custom. Also, we have to specify the folder location. Let it be this folder. Okay. Now let's add the fasteners. Now let's check the file location. As we can see, the new files are saved in our local folder and they are actually modifiable. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.